Here and I'm ready. See you soon.
Boss, welcome to your office. I'm your executive assistant. I'm the efficient and impressive and not at all creepy guy who makes your life easy and helps the startup run. The recreational area / breakout space going through to the executive suite. Check it out. You got everything a founder / CEO / industry leader could want. There's the boardroom. The panels can swap in and out, so you can put in a gun locker or a safe whenever you want to. It's possible to knock through this wall to add some personal quarters, somewhere to lie down, take some me time. Look at the Dynasty 8 side for details. But the most important thing's your executive terminal. Here's where you'll access the SecuroSurf Special Cargo Network to take this operation to another level. I'll tell you all about it when you first log in. Tour's over, take a look around, get comfortable. I'll be at the front desk or on the end of the phone whenever you need me. I wasn't on Life Invader. Whoa, boss. The SecuroSurf update, the vehicle cargo. This could be our opportunity. Log on to the network and I'll talk you through it. Later on. Hey.
Okay, I've set you up with the SecuroSurf Special Cargo Network account. Just hit the login button to access the interface. Vehicle cargo. Here we go. If we want to start trading, we're going to need a vehicle warehouse to store the cars. There's a few around the city, so take a look and make a purchase. We got a warehouse. Okay, let's move some cargo. You click on the green button to source a vehicle. The system will allocate a car. It'll generate a text and send the details to your phone. Then it's just a case of getting the car and bringing it to the warehouse. Look out for rival organizations trying to hijack vehicles. They can intercept you and you can intercept them.
This is simply incredible synergy.
All right, you're airlifting this one out of the hands of some professional a-holes. Pick up the cargo, Bob, pick up the car, and get it home.